Top tips, there's 7 of them. Answer the question. That's always a good start. Respond to the command word, and hopefully you realise how important those command words really are in terms of determining what information from a topic you need to include. Keep to the point. You don't have to add loads of waffle. Just try and give me enough to give you a mark. That's all I need. So you don't need to kind of go into war and peace. Just make your point and make another point and make another point, and that's how you get your marks. Keep to the word limit, and make sure you allocate word count based on marks per question. Don't write too many for a 10-mark question and not enough for a 30. Quality and quantity of references. So it's all very well having 3 pages of references, that's great, but if the quality of the references are all Wikipedia pages, you probably won't get any better marks than someone who's not put any references at all. So make sure that your references are of good quality. Make sure you synthesize the material into your own words, like munge ideas together and to demonstrate your understanding. Make a clear academic argument. Make sure it's structured. So remember that headline, evidence, critique, counter critique, and then summary. Make sure you've got that structure in place and you tell the story. It's a narrative that you're telling around the topic. And answer the what and why the what is important in the context of your organisation. Always, always, always apply to your organisation. You do that, you can't go wrong. And I will happily award marks willy-nilly all over your paper if you follow these guidelines.